As you read the Wonder, I want you to think about these questions and respond to them on this video comment here. In chapter 1, the sea. How does Sophie feel about the sea? Have you ever had a bad dream? How did it make you feel? Chapter 2, 3 sides. Why does Sophie say she has 3 sides? Support it with detail. Explain your thinking. Chapter 3, slow time. Based on what you read in chapter 3, what kind of person do you think Sophie is? Support your answer. Would you like to sail across the ocean? Why or why not? Chapter 4, the big baby. What is a challenge for Sophie in her adventures? Support your answer. Would you respond to the challenges the same way Sophie did? Chapter 5, how does Sophie float? How does Sophie feel now that she is out to sea? Chapter 6, slugs and bananas. How are Cody and Sophie's point of view about the trip different? Chapter 7, wildlife. How does Cody feel about the wildlife? Can you name a time when you were as excited about something as Sophie is about the sea? Chapter 8, the dolt and the orphan. How are Cody and Sophie's opinions of Brian similar? Choose 2 questions from these chapters to respond to. Choose 3 questions to respond to in chapters 15 through 20. Choose 3 questions in chapters 21 through 40 to respond to. Choose 2 questions to respond to. Choose 2 questions to respond to.